Are you ready to enter the mesmerizing world of 3D design and photography? Imagine transforming your creative visions into stunning, photorealistic images. Welcome to the Blender 3.0 Masterclass for product photographers and designers. In this course, we'll unravel the secrets of Blender 3.0, empowering you from an absolute beginner to a seasoned professional. Get an instant 68% discount for the Blender 3.0 Masterclass for product photographers and designers course at iDesignCourse.com. The course link is available in the description and comments section. Do you want to create advertising quality images and uplift your photography portfolio? Do you want to impress your clients with photorealistic images of your product design? Do you want to learn CGI with free 3D software? Well, you are in the right place. This course is designed for product photographers and designers who want to expand their professional skills to 3D/CGI, computer-generated imagery. Please consider to enroll this course if you are one of these people. 1. Creatives who are not ready to commit to the expensive monthly subscriptions fee on 3D software. 2. Creatives who feel confused by the overwhelmed information about CGI online and do not know where to start. 3. Product photographers who want to elevate the quality of their portfolio through CGI. 4. Graphic designers who want to deliver the outstanding presentation without using generic mockups. 5. Creatives who had a difficult time finding useful information regarding photorealistic product visualization in Blender. 6. Serious learners who want to add CGI as a professional skill set to create great images in Blender. 7. My YouTube subscribers have been asking me to do a beginner-friendly Blender course, smiling face with smiling eyes. List of content. Blender Intro, Absolute Beginner's Content. Intro Part 1, Hardware Requirement, Blender Interface, Navigation. Intro Part 2, Terminology Intro, Concepts Explanations. Intro Part 3, Edit Mode, Selecting Tools, Transformation Tools. Complete Workflow Case Study, Beginners and Pro Content. Modeling Part 1, Reference Image, Bottle Modeling, Liquid Modeling. Modeling Part 2, Cap Modeling, Label Modeling. Texturing Part 1, HDRI Intro, PBR Texture Intro. Texturing Part 2, Glass and Liquid Texture, Cap Texture. Texturing Part 3, Label Texture, Pro Content. Styling and Lighting Part 1, Scene Environment Building and Lighting Intro. Styling and Lighting Part 2, Modified Lights and Lighting Setup, Pro Content. Rendering, Render Setup for optimizing image quality and work efficiency. Post-processing in Photoshop, Layer Mask Intro, Noise Layer, Sharpening. Bonus content, Scene breakdowns of close-up renders. Support files.
Above is everything we wanted to introduce you to about this course. For more details, you can click on the link below in the comments section. If you're looking for further development in design, I would like to recommend an excellent resource, iDesignCourse.com. iDesignCourse is an online training website specializing in graphic design, UI/UX, and web programming. Here, you can find high-quality courses taught by industry-leading experts. Visit iDesignCourse.com to explore exciting and engaging courses. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any similar videos in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, and see you next time.